Hello friends, welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion where we discuss the important questions from the current affairs for the prelims 2024. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss the most important current affairs from 27th of August 2023. So let us begin. Guys, the very first question which I have framed is on the news item that Fukushima nuclear plant water is going to be released. Guys, there was a disaster in the Fukushima nuclear plant long back. In this context, I framed a question that consider the following pairs: Chernobyl, Ukraine; Tokaimura, South Korea; Fukushima, Japan; Kistim, Russia. How many of the above pair is or are correct? So guys, here we see Chernobyl is in Ukraine. Okay, Tokaimura is not in South Korea, it is in Japan. So we can remove this. Fukushima is in Japan and Kistim is in Russia. So the answer is only 3. Guys, in this topic, you need to prepare the signs of nuclear plants. You need to prepare the signs of nuclear plants. It is very important. Okay. Here you need to prepare the various parts of nuclear plant. You need to prepare the fission process. What is the fuel? What is a moderator? Then what is coolant? What is the core of nuclear plant? Okay, you need to prepare everything. UPSC has asked a lot of questions in the previous year on this topic. Let us move on to the next topic, guys. The next topic is framed on art and culture, guys. There was a news item in the Hindu newspaper about Sithakali folk dance. So guys, Sithakali folk dance is a folk dance in which state? So the answer is Kerala. Guys, such type of art and culture questions are very simple question, and generally they are either on the state, which state they are found, or the basic characteristic of the dance form. Okay, so already in the past UPSC has asked question on match the following about folk dance, so it is very important. The next news item I have framed on this Terai tigers. Okay, so let us see the question, guys. Consider the following: Valmiki Tiger Reserves, Corbett Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. How many of the above are located in the Terai Arc landscape? So guys, you know the Terai region. So the answer is all the 4 are located in the Terai Arc landscape. Guys, Terai Arc landscape is 810 km stretch between the river Yamuna and the river Bagmati. Between the river Yamuna and the river Bagmati, which comprises the Shivalik hills and the adjoining Bhabbar area and the Terai floodplain. In this, there are a lot of protected areas. For example, Corbett Tiger Reserve, then we have Rajaji National Park, then we have Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, then we have Valmiki Tiger Reserve, then we have Nepal's Bardia Wildlife Sanctuary, Chitwan National Park and Shukla Patna Wildlife Sanctuary. So guys, in this context, this Terai region, the Terai region is very important for the tigers. Okay, there are a lot of tiger corridors in this region. So please do prepare for map region, the Terai region. Very important. Moving on, guys, the next topic I have framed on government mulling that EV infrastructure should be brought under the priority lending of the public sector bank. So right now it is not in the priority sector lending. It may be brought under priority sector lending. So I have framed a question. Consider the following: agriculture, MSME, export credit, education, renewable energy. How many of the above are in the priority sector? So the guys, answer is all 5 are in the priority sector. Right now EV recharge infrastructure is not in the priority sector. Government is thinking of bringing into the priority sector, but renewable energy sector is a priority sector. Okay, next question, guys. Shiv Shakti point recently in news is what? So lunar landing site of Chandrayaan 3. So answer option A is correct. So generally this kind of term based question, in UPSC you will see generally the answer is option A. I'm not saying that every time the answer will be option A, but yes, most of the times I have seen that option is option A. Others you can just go through, these are not the correct options. So guys, please do go through this PPP. Every day I publish this PPP here under the free initiative. And guys, you can solve my lecture test series. Guys, I'm telling you, most of the students who fail to crack the prelims examination are those who are not practicing enough. If you practice enough, then okay, your chances of qualifying the prelims examination increases very high. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.